Yo, it's Heartbreak Bobby from Lids and Kicks. Welcome back to the channel, and today I have an unboxing and on-feet sneaker review for the Nike x Off-White Blazer Mid. Alright, see, I told you guys I was going to be more consistent with the videos now. So today I have the Off-White x Nike Blazer Mid. Yeah, this is one of the original 10 that released back in November of 2017 of like the first version of the Off-White x Nike collab with Virgil Abloh. So back in November for like the Nike sneakers release, I was going hard for these Blazers and for the Air Max 87s. Yeah, and unfortunately I wasn't able to pick those up that day and the Air Max 87s, but I think I'm going to get the Air Max 87 soon. But anyways, alright, so I was able to pick these up used. Yeah, I'm going to try and consistently buy more sneakers so I can do more videos, more reviews, more how to style videos, more pickup. Just so I can really compete and have like the best content, have some of the best sneakers on YouTube. So, alright, so now we're going to get into the unboxing and on-feet portion of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Heartbreak Bobby, Lids and Kicks, Off-White x Nike Blazer Mid review. Alright, make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subs. Peace.